Since NASA is going to the moon after so many decades, here are some surprising and lesser-known facts about NASA's missions around the moon, especially the Apollo program. 1. The moon smells like burnt gunpowder. Astronauts from Apollo 11 and later missions reported that lunar dust smelled like burnt gunpowder after they returned inside the module. The smell came from chemical reactions when the dust met oxygen. 2. They almost couldn't land Apollo 11. During the final descent, Neil Armstrong had to manually pilot the spacecraft to avoid a rocky landing zone. He landed with less than 30 seconds of fuel left, cutting it extremely close. 3. The onboard computer was weaker than a calculator. The Apollo guidance computer had less computing power than a modern smartphone or even a basic calculator. Yet, it successfully guided astronauts to the moon and back. 4. Footprints could last millions of years. Because the moon has no atmosphere or weather, the footprints left by astronauts may remain almost unchanged for millions of years. 5. A hidden crisis almost aborted the mission. During Apollo 13, an oxygen tank exploded mid-flight. The crew never landed on the moon, but their survival and return became one of NASA's greatest rescue stories. 6. The flag didn't wave. The American flag planted on the moon appears to wave in videos, but that's because of a horizontal rod holding it out. There's no wind on the moon. 7. Moon rocks changed science. Apollo missions brought back about 382 kilograms of lunar samples, helping scientists understand the moon likely formed after a giant collision called the Giant Impact Hypothesis. 8. Astronauts saw strange flashes with their eyes closed. Some astronauts reported seeing unexplained flashes of light, even with eyes shut, likely caused by cosmic rays hitting their retinas. 9. Astronauts took music to the moon. Some carried cassette tapes, including music by the Beatles and Frank Sinatra, making space travel a bit more human. 10. Earthrise changed how we see our planet. The famous Earthrise photo taken during Apollo 8 showed Earth rising over the moon's horizon. It helped spark the modern environmental movement by showing how small and fragile Earth looks.